To locate bladder 62 on the outside of your left leg, find the tip of your ankle bone, right about here. Then move down to your off the ankle bone, just like this. Now press in to find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is bladder 62. Activate this point by rubbing it quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now find bladder 62 on your right leg and repeat.